Anywho. Baram pam baram. Wel, hello pawb, a chroeso nôl i'r sianel PopT. Da chi'n iawn, mae wedi bod yn ages ers i ni just wneud hyn. Da ni heddiw yn mynd i fod yn chwarae games. So, again, da ni'n chwarae heddiw ydi Hogwartslegacy, darling. Ond ia, os da chi'n Harry Potter nerd, fatha lot o bobl yn y byd, fyddwch chi'n excited iawn i'r fideo yma. Gosh, Elin, stopia siarad. Da ni eisiau chwarae games, di. Ooh, okay. We are pleased to inform you that you have been accepted to Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry as a 5th year student. Cool. So, da ni'n cael creu cymeriad. Yeah. Mewn byn, y fe? Cool. Eye colour. Be di yw i gada fi? Fela, ia? Fela? Ia, fela? Dwi'm yn gwybod. So gynnau'n syniad, fan bod fi'n mynd yn obsessed dy lliw gwallt.
It appears we are almost ready to depart. I presume you've been practicing the spells we worked on.
I have, Professor.
Dwi'n yn gwybod dim byd am ddim spells.
Excuse me before the term begins.
Esgusodwch fi, pwy ti?
Oh, Eleazar! It looks like goblin metal. That symbol.
What's the glow?
I don't see a glow.
Di'n iawn da?
Nor do I.
Where's the glow?
Merlin's beard.
Merlin's beard.
Wait. We do.
Fair. Oh na. Oh na. What's the digwydd? Oh. Quick! Yeah! Quick! Eh?
Give me your hand!
Ooh. 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 Diddorol. Right.
Mind your step.
Mind your step. Be, for hyn, wee!
Where do you suppose your wife got the key that brought us here?
Right, sut da ni'n mynd trwy hwn? Tap to perform a basic cast. Ooh. Okay, so ni'n gallu use a wand ni wan. Be di'r sôn pobl yn anadlu yn clistia fi? Fel dwi'n licio fo. Wake the
Godric's
goblin.
heart.
Where are we?
I don't believe it. It can't be.
Pam bod o'n kind of really cute, no bechod. Gadael o.
Just a moment.
Just a moment.
Ooh. Welcome to Gringotts Wizarding Bank. Vault number 12, I presume.
Dim syniad, mes.
Precisely.
Vault number.
Vault 12.
Vault number.
Ooh. Be sy'n y vault? Be sy'n y vault? Be sy'n y vault? Wel, dwi'n gweld rhywbeth ar y... Wow.
There must be something here. Let's see what we're missing, shall we? Ready your wand and focus.
Oh, okay. So, okay, dwi'n dallt. Woo. Cool. Revelio, darling.
Lumos. This is no ordinary
Licio'r
vault.
tywyllwch.
I sus-
Oh. Oh. Helo? Ffrindia? Dwi'n meddwl bod hein yn ffrindia. Bod hein ddim yn ffrindia! Be di hwnna? Be dwi'n newid dweud? Sut ti'n ffeindio beth am dweud?
Defnyddio. Levioso. Deposo.
Ooh. Cysgu dda. Da chi'n mynd i twtio fi. You can't even touch me. Mae o'n neud spells cool a dwi'n just yn tapio.
Stay close!
Oh. Sorry. Sy'n di?
Professor? Professor Fig? Professor, where are you?
Uh-oh.
This isn't good.
That's what you're seeing. The glow that surrounded them. And you, it seems, are the key to understanding why.
Seems my reputation precedes me. I was beginning to think no one was ever going to visit Rackham's vault.
I'm not giving you anything.
Well,
Come on in.
perhaps your young friend here will be more helpful.
Excuse me. Oh. Okay, so mae'n really pwerus. Ydy o'n helpu ni? Whoa. Oh. Oedd yna'n agos. Hogwarts. Oh. Shilling. Whoa. Wow, oedd yna really cool. Cofiwch, os ydych chi fwynhau, tanysgrifiwch i'r sianel, gadwch hoff ar y fideo yma, a hefyd gadwch sylw am hynna a gadewch fi wybod os ydych chi eisiau gweld mwy o Hogwartslegacy neu os ydych chi hefyd wedi chwarae'r gêm. Ond, tan y tro nesaf, ta-ra!